Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA hour function in Excel 2013, which looks at how to insert the current hour of the day into an Excel cell. So first of all, we need to record a macro. To do this, we need to go to the View tab in Excel 2013, and under the macro section, click on the drop down and select record macro. And with that macro there, I'm going to name it hour underscore fx function. Click on OK. I'm going to stop running it. And then I'm going to go to macros again in the drop down. I'm going to click on view macros and I'm going to edit this macro that I've just recorded. So I'm going to get rid of the comment stuff and I'm going to paste in my code. And I've got duplicate end subs and subs, so I'm going to get rid of those because I already wrote it. And then you're left with the code. So the on error resume next there is just something I put above all my code, above any line of code or each line of code, just to say, if you don't enter any value, if there's any, normally I use this for input boxes, so if there's any error, like I don't enter a value and click on OK, it just ends the macro. But yeah, so this should run without any errors. So you can see here active cell dot formula R1C1, which basically means insert the formula, and then the actual formula is after the equals, which is hour, and then it's inserting the current hour of the day. So I've used a null function because that gives you date and time, and from the time bit of that, the hour function is going to extract the hour from the date and time. So if I close that, and in Excel, in this cell, let's just say in cell A2, I'm going to go to the View tab, and I'm going to click on Macro drop down list. I'm going to click on View Macros. I'm going to run my macro, and as you can see, the hour of the day is currently 3 o'clock, as in 1500 hours. And that's basically the hour function in Excel VBA in Excel 2013.